Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. As you see, we want to prepare moringa powder. Okay, this is my moringa. We are going to prepare moringa powder.
Come.
So these little people, as you see, we are done for the plug-in. Okay, so I want to go and dry it with sun. Beautiful people, as you see, our moringa, it has dried, so I want to blend it. Okay, so these are my blender, and this so beautiful people, this is our moringa powder. Okay, so I'm going to pour it inside here. Beautiful people, can see this is smooth. This is our moringa powder. So thank you very much for watching, and see you where we'll be adding our moringa powder with inside soup. Okay, thank you for watching. Oh, please help me to subscribe for more videos. Mwah! Bye bye.